I prepared a simple one. So if there's a person who doesn't know well about soldering, then please try to touch and know the skill of the soldering. And first, I will explain force sensation. Force sensation. I study robotics in Japan. As I study about robots, first study was about biped robots walking in. Okay, this is the robot walking in rough terrain. Although there are some stuff on the ground, this robot can keep walking. This is my first work, and I extended this to a human support system, okay, for rehabilitation. Okay, this child has some difficulty on the leg walking, and because of injury. And if we can give walking pattern, then the children can, in some cases, can learn how to walk. And this is the experiment to give the walking pattern to the child and have a rehabilitation. So in this kind of a system, force sensing is very important. Because many people think that robot is maybe useful, but it's a bit scary because robot is quite strong and it may injure people. And if it's a communication between human and human, even if someone has very strong power, it is quite rare that people get injured because people know how to the force information. If you apply strong force, then the person may be injured. And if the person doesn't know how to control the force, then the other one may have some kind of injury. So extending this to human and robot interaction. Robot is quite dangerous now because most of the robot doesn't know how the force is acting on its robot. So if you go to a manufacturer example of car factory, and in car factory there are a lot of robots working for car industry. And if you go nearby the robot, you may soon injure because robot is quite strong and robot doesn't know how the force is acting. So therefore, in my what I concentrate in my study is to establish a technology for robots to know the force information. So we think that there are many information robots can acquire, but haptic information is very important because robot is something kind of a tool that physically supports. And I will explain about detail in this system because it will be explained tomorrow. I will explain tomorrow in detail. I establish a force sensing mechanism, which is composed of simply acrylic cover and a force sensor. This blue part is the idea is very simple. If there's a robot, in order for the robot to know the force information, every robot has a cover, and if the force sensor is the cover is attached on a force sensor, then every force on the cover will be detected with this one force sensor. So this idea is that if for example with human has skin, and in skin there are lots, thousands of sensors in it, force detector and pressure detectors on the skin, but it is quite difficult for robots to have such a skin. So this idea is that with one simple force sensor, the robot can detect the force information, and by calculation, it is also possible to see the position of the contact point. So this is the experimental demonstration to show that if we touch this is an acrylic cover, but the acrylic cover can detect the force vector, and the force acting point from calculation. So we are trying to apply to some things on it. And okay, I'll skip most of these things. Please see the presentation tomorrow in detail.